Welcome to Abdali Grammar School. Science. Lesson. Human Health. Chapter number 3. Lecture number 1. 69. Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Today, we're going to talk about some common symptoms of illness. Have you ever wondered why you might cough or have a fever? Well, today we'll explore these symptoms and learn more about them. Let's get started. Our first symptom is a cough. A cough is a way our bodies try to clear our airways. It's like a big ahem sound that comes from our throat and lungs. Coughing can be caused by many things, such as a cold, allergies, or even irritation in our throats. It's our body's way of trying to get rid of anything that shouldn't be in our lungs. If you have a cough, it's important to cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your elbow, just like this. Some diseases such as asthma, pneumonia, and bronchitis can also cause cough. Our next symptom is a fever. Have you ever felt hot and had a temperature? That's what we call a fever. A fever is when our body's temperature goes higher than normal. Sometimes when we're sick, our body raises its temperature to fight off germs or infections. Fevers can be caused by a variety of illnesses like the flu, a cold, or even an infection. To check if you have a fever, you can use a thermometer. You place it under your tongue or in your armpit, and it tells you how warm your body is. The normal human temperature is 98.6 F or 37 C. Lastly, let's talk about influenza, also known as the flu. The flu is an illness that can make you feel really sick. It can cause symptoms like coughing, fever, sore throat, runny nose, body aches, and sometimes even stomach problems. The flu is caused by a virus that spreads from person to person, especially during the colder months. That's why it's important to wash our hands regularly, cover our mouths when we cough or sneeze, and avoid close contact with someone who is sick. Stay healthy, wash your hands, and take care of yourselves. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Must like and subscribe our YouTube channel. See you next time.